Hello, and in this video, we are going to learn how to create your own digital signature in Word. Now, first, we will need a photo of your signature, and this is easy. All you need to do is to grab a pen and a piece of paper, sign it on, take a photo of it, and send it to your laptop. All right, now then insert picture and just insert the signature. All right. So you can see here that this is the signature that I took using my phone, and it's got a kind of a gray background. So we will need to format it a bit. Now first we will need to crop it and make it smaller. All right. Okay, maybe make it a bit more smaller. All right, now let's change the gray background to a brighter background. So click on the picture and you can see that the picture format dialog box is now active. So go to correction and just change the brightness contrast. So I'm going to select this one. All right, this will do. Now move it to the desired position. All right, that is done. Sometimes when you move the signature around, you will see that the signature line gets kind of distorted. So in that case, what we need to do is to right click on the picture, select wrap text, and then just select behind text. This way we can move the signature around, move it up, move it down, move it around, and it will not distort other text or other items in our Word document. And that's it. We have created our own digital signature in just a few minutes. So that's it for now. Happy learning and see you in the next video.